The Vivo Y15 comes with Halo Full View display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a near bezel-less 6.35-inch screen. Choose from two colors, aqua blue and burgundy red. The phone comes with a 4 GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also comes with 64 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256 GB. That lets you store all your pictures, videos and music to access them anywhere on the go. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo Y15 features a 6.35-inch Halo Full View display with 89% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera for high-quality pictures and a 16 megapixel front camera for capturing all your selfies. Powered by Android operating system with MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with Ultra Game mode that reduces frame drops for smoother gaming experience. This phone is powered by a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with power-saving technologies to further extend battery life. The box includes handset, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case, protective film and user manual. The Vivo Y15 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.